Hi and welcome. Today we are going to talk about email marketing for musicians, music producers, and artists. The problem with our tribe is that we are entrepreneurs and we don't even know it. So, this short, crisp, and to the point video is going to tell you about how to start. So, let's dive right into this presentation. First, please remember this. You are an entrepreneur. The day that you decided to become a musician or an independent artist of any kind, that's the day that you also became an entrepreneur. And when you become an entrepreneur, you have to treat your profession as a business. And when you think about your profession as a business, there are certain building blocks that you have to get in place for that business to actually start earning you an income in the future without having to tear your hair out. That's the goal. There are many difficult ways of doing things, but why would you do it, right? So let's dive straight into this. We are going to talk especially about email marketing because we all have access to email. Your users have access to email, and the email route is, according to me, one of the most non-intrusive ways of actually making a sales pitch or being in touch with your consumers and customers again and again. So what do you need to do this? You need email, obviously. That is your content of the email. Also, you need lists of people. So this is called an email list, and of course you need marketing. These are the three building blocks of how you conduct email marketing. They say that the money is in the list. The list here we are talking about is the list of subscribers that people have willingly given their email addresses to you in exchange for something, and that becomes your list. Currently I have a list of about 2 3,000 subscribers in different kinds of lists. So altogether I have that, and I've built it in the fastest and the most effective way. Of course I learned everything online, and I did it with a lot of trial and error, but I don't want you to go through it. So please watch this presentation right till the end. The money is in the list. And why is it said that the money is in the list? Because you can remarket your products and your services, your future plans, your future products, your big announcements, etc. They happen through your list. So email marketing is said to have the greatest return on investment than your ads or Google ads, Facebook ads, or anything else. So the first question is how to build a list. Why you should build a list? Okay, because you need to have enough motivation to build a list. But what you don't know can harm you, so it's very important to know why you need to build a list. What happens when you don't build a list? I think we all know that quite well, but still we'll go over that. And when should you build a list, right? So first question, how should you build a list? There are a couple of more questions here. So you build a list basically by giving your customers or the person who has landed on your page, you give them something for free, 100% free, in exchange for their email address. You do this enough number of times, you do it 1,000 times, and you get 1,000 people in your list. This is called lead generation. For example, if your consumers, if your subscribers are in a particular niche, let's say you're a music producer and you have something to offer them, something that's your own technique, you make it into a PDF, or you have MIDI files, like say 100 of them. Here, take my 100 best MIDI files, melodies that I've used, and in exchange give me your email address and I'll send you the zip file or something like that. You do that in exchange for their email addresses, and that is called lead generation. So this subscriber of yours is a lead, and you are generating more leads by giving something in free, for zero cost basically. That's lead generation. This is the process, this is the correct term in the industry. And what is a lead magnet? The PDF or the free MIDI zip file or the free resource, free technique, free this, free that, whatever it is, the free bait that you offer your customer in exchange for the email address is called the lead magnet. So the person is the lead, and this PDF is your magnet because that is attracting your lead. That's why it's called the lead magnet. But to hold all this together, where are you going to offer your lead? You offer your lead on something called as a landing page or a squeeze page. I know it sounds really weird, but basically you're giving this PDF or a free resource in exchange for their email address. You're squeezing their email address out from them. That's why it's called a squeeze page. I know it's a little weird, but squeeze pages are also called as landing pages, where the customer exchanges their email address in return for your product. This happens on a page, on a website, a single page website with a simple form where a customer enters their name, email address, and when they say submit, the lead comes to us. I'll explain how it happens. The email address is captured by us, and then the free resource that was promised to them is sent to their email address, or they are taken to the next page where they are told, thank you for your email, here's your free resource, download below. So it can be done in a couple of ways, either are fine. So that's a landing page, and we will see how what tools we can use to build the landing page also. This is also called an opt in page. An opt in page is basically also where a customer opts in with their email address in exchange for, say, some kind of subscription or some sort of a free resource. It's also called as an opt in page. Many names, sort of the same purpose. Okay, very, very important. The why. Why are we even building a list, right? Say if you have 100 subscribers, so what? What happens? Basically, the list is the traffic that you own. Every business thrives on traffic. Every business thrives on newer customers, newer leads, because they are the ones who are going to buy stuff from you. Now, this is the traffic that you own, in the sense that these are your email subscribers, these are your leads. So tomorrow, if Google or Facebook change their algorithm and your ads don't work, or if your posts are not reaching organically to the number of people that you intend to, doesn't matter, because once you start having email addresses, this is the traffic that now you have. Literally inside your database you have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, your own leads, and you can remarket, you can email them on a mass scale whenever you want, without relying on Facebook, Google algorithms. Okay, so this is the traffic that you own, and that is extremely vital. Like I said, they're not restricted by the platform's rules. You can send them an Amazon link, you can send them your own YouTube link, you can send whatever link, as long as of course it's not spam or some scam, which I'm assuming it's not. You can send them anything, but there are a lot of rules on Facebook and on Google as far as what kind of links you can paste in your particular ad copy, etc. So you're not restricted by these rules once you own the traffic, once you have those email leads. Remarketing to them is absolutely easy and simple. With a sequence of emails you can send to them, until somebody, of course, opts in or unsubscribes from your list. And if your email copy is good, if your offer is good, your viewers, your leads won't unsubscribe. So remarketing to the same audience again and again. Hey, hi, long time, but I've been working on this, blah blah blah, here's my new album, please download it. Remarketing, right? The same set of people. It's easy and cost free. Emails also have a very high open rate, much higher than the ROI that you get on ads. For example, as a general rule, email, like I said in the beginning, is one of the most non-intrusive and effective ways of reaching out to your audience. Organically reaching out on Facebook needs a lot of skill, lot of reach as well. And even with Facebook ads and Google ads, it's a whole study in itself. And even then, the effectiveness of ads is still in question many times. but emails have a very high open rate, and that's how you can reach more and more of your subscribers. What happens when you don't build a list? This is like some sort of a reverse psychology, right? It's extremely difficult to reach potential customers. If you SMS them, normally, you and I know how we feel about text messages from marketing agencies or people that we have accidentally subscribed to. They keep sending messages about something. Normally, it's very irritating. Ads, we may or may not click on that, but emails, normally people open it. Also, why? Because on Facebook you go for entertainment or to post something or reach out to family, read stuff. It's a leisure activity. Same with Instagram, but email is still quite official, so people take emails seriously. If you don't build a list, you will always be a pawn in the hands of the Zuckerbergs and the Googles of the world. Ads are not cheap, ads are extremely expensive, but building email lists are much, much cheaper. Ads, like I said before, have a lower return on investment than email. When should you build a list? That's a good question. Yesterday would have been the best time, or 6 months before, or 12 months before, but the next best time is today. So start now, do not wait. Think about what you can offer as a lead magnet. What is that free resource? It doesn't have to be grand. This is one mistake I've seen a lot of people make. It does not have to be like this big 100-page ebook. No, people like receiving stuff for free. It could literally be my secret technique to producing a song in less than 30 minutes, my secret technique too, or the three mistakes you don't know you're making. Enter your email address, get my report. It could be literally as simple as that. Okay, what are the tools that you normally require to build an email list? Let's Okay, so pay attention now. These are very, very essential tools that you cannot do without. So there are email marketing tools and services that are explicitly in the business for you, the marketer. You are now a marketer. Gmail does not do this job because um this automated process of, hey, here's my email address, the user says, here's my email address, give me the book. This whole thing is automated. So from our perspective, we build a landing page where we say, hey, if you want this three secrets to producing music faster, enter your email address. User enters the email address. On the next page, they're taken to a thank you page and they say, hey, download below. Or as soon as they enter the email address from our backend, an email gets sent to the user automatically, almost immediately sometimes, saying, hey, this is your free resource as promised. I hope you enjoy it. This does not happen inside Gmail or inside Yahoo. So you need email marketing tools and services for this whole automated process to happen. The second important thing, like I said, is a lead magnet. You need a lead magnet of some kind. It doesn't have to be grand, has to be free though, and it has to be useful to your user, to the user that you are targeting. If your user is a shop owner, you can't target them by saying, hey, here's my free resource on how to produce music. It's completely irrelevant. So it has to be relevant to your target audience. You also need landing page, like I said, to collect these emails, right? Or to send them to a thank you page and say, hey, download your resource below. Or this needs to happen. It needs to be a very high converting landing page. It cannot look scammy. It cannot look like, you know uh, some sort of a scam business. So it needs to be a very beautiful, professional looking landing page which has a form where the user can put in their name and an email address. A fulfillment service, like for example, if you're going to send them a link inside the email saying, hey, here's your free resource, or if you were going to put a button on your thank you page saying, hey, download your free resource here. What is here? That's a fulfillment service where the free resources sent, like an Amazon fulfillment service, Prime Delivery. Okay, so you need a fulfillment service, but thankfully that's for free. It's Google Drive or Dropbox or any similar service you can use. So normally, now this is the bad news. Normally, email marketing tools, lead magnets, landing pages are an expensive affair. Even if in the initial few days the services are free or they offer a trial period, the bills start coming in soon thereafter. And these tools are expensive when put together, and the monthly fees keep adding, especially if you're giving something for free and if you don't know how to get the value of that from your customer back again by remarketing them, telling them about new products and services, in encouraging them to buy your course or something like that. If you don't know how to get that money back, then these fees can become expensive very fast. It can be very disheartening. But the good news is, what if I said that you could get your email list off the ground for free? What if I could tell you that? And I am telling you that. So there is an all in one solution that you can use, because email marketing tools and services is otherwise a very big expense. Okay, and a landing page to collect emails, and more often than not these two are separate companies many times. So pay this one and pay this one also, it's a major expense. But we have something called as Groove Funnels. Groove Funnels is 100% free. You can build beautiful funnels, full-fledged websites, landing pages, squeeze pages, opt-in pages, and you can embed your email marketing form, the form where the user sends their mail, yeah, name and email, and you send them the free resource. All this can be done for free inside Groove Funnels. So this is the solution. You can collect 500 email leads, that is email subscribers, for absolutely free with Groove Mail. So if you want to get your feet wet in this email marketing business, how it works, what it works, without spending a dime, then Groove Mail, which is also inside Groove Funnels, is your solution. You can build high converting landing pages with Groove Pages, and all this happens on a single platform without multiple logins for exactly $0. So sign up for Groove Funnels on this site. This is my site, www.groovefrenzy.com. The advantage of signing up through this link is that you will get three of my top bonuses when you sign up for free. Okay, and you will always retain this free account on Groove Funnels. That's also a promise. So do not delay. If you're watching this video right now, go below in the description or above or somewhere, find www.groovefrenzy.com and sign up for free right now. If you found this video useful, which I hope you did, please consider subscribing to my channel below and hit the like button. And I will be back with another video very, very soon. Thank you for watching.